In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a Zoom meeting link and then how you can invite others. So to do this, we are going to need the Zoom app. Now, if you don't already have this downloaded, you can go to your Zoom dashboard. Now, on your Zoom dashboard, you'll find a download button. Alternatively, if you don't want to go through all of that and log into Zoom on web browser, type in Zoom download, go to the download center for Zoom apps and plugins. And then what we can do is we can go ahead and click download on Zoom Workplace. It's probably going to be a 64-bit download for you. Once you've got it downloaded, click on schedule because we're scheduling a meeting for later. We're going to give someone an invite link. You can then retitle this to whatever you want it to be. Select a time and a date. So I'll just make mine start at 1 p.m. to 1:30. You can invite people, but if you want a link, then you obviously don't want to add anyone here. Meeting ID will keep on generate automatically. And then there's a passcode which you can change and customize if you want. Only users who have this invite link or passcode can join the meeting. Because we're sending them a link anyway, this isn't really relevant. You can then enable waiting room if you want to accept people into the meeting. So this is useful to control who's in the meeting, and you can like bring people in when needed. And then you've just got your basic settings here. Video, host, is it going to be on or off, and the participants as well. Then you've got your audio settings. I wouldn't get too crazy in advanced or more options, but you can click save, and what it's going to do is it's going to schedule that meeting. Then you've got it down here. If you go ahead and click on it, you'll be able to see the description, and it will show you the link as well. So this link is going to be your invite link, which you can copy. Go and then give this to someone. They'll then be able to click on it, and it will open up Zoom on their app as well, and then they'll be able to join. So that's how you do it. I hope that helped.